Welcome to another growing time we share. So today we'll be looking at
EC2 Instance. So we'll be looking at EC2 Instance since most companies are going from on-prem to cloud. It's very important as a DevOps to know more about cloud. And so today we are going to just create a EC2, which is a virtual server on the AWS. So you can have a free trial of AWS. Just go to your browser and type AWS free trial. Okay, so just click on this. So you can just create a free account. So from there, then you are going to just put your debit card. They are not going to charge you, but your debit card has to be there. So, but since I have my own account, this is my own AWS account. So we are just going to search for EC2 Instance. So click on it. So click on Instances, then click on Launch Instances, then just put the name, any name that you feel you want to use. Just let's say EC2 Instance. So I'm going to leave everything as default, except keep here. So we are going to create a new keep here. This keep here is very particular to the instance that you are creating. Please don't share this keep here to anyone. Is a security that will be downloaded for you to enter into your server. So you don't need to share the keep here to anyone. So we are going to just leave everything, then put the name. Let's just say keep here .pem, then leave everything as default, then click on create keep here. So it has been downloaded. The keep here has been downloaded for us. Just leave everything as default and click on launch instance. So it's creating. So it has been created. So let's go to our instance, then refresh. So it is running. So our instance is running. So what we are going to do is we want to connect to this server that we just created. So click on the box and click on connect. So there are two ways that you can connect, but how we connect with SSH clients, but there's two ways. You can use EC2 Instance connect from the AWS. So you just click on connect. So it's going to connect via that, but it has been connected. So you have now been connected to the instance, the server that we just created. So another way to connect to this server is via SSH. So let's go. So click on connect, click on SSH clients, and these are the process that we are going to follow to connect via SSH client. So let's go to our terminal. So I installed Linux on my virtual machine. So firstly, we downloaded the key pair. So it's in my download folder. This is my download folder. So I'm going to change my directory to where my key pair is. Then we are going to change mode on that key pair to only me. That means I'm the only one that can write on this server. Any other person cannot do anything on this server. So that's why I'm giving it shim mode 400. That means 400 means I'm the only one that can enter into the server. So let me see the name of the key pair. Let me just copy this. Just copy it and go to your terminal, then paste. So that means we have already changed this is the one that I just created now, the key pair.pem.pem. So that means we have already changed the permission to only me. That means I'm the only one that can write and enter into this server. So what we are going to do now, please let's go back to, then we are going to copy this so that we can log in or enter into our virtual server, then paste. Type yes, and voila, we have been able to log in to our EC2 instance. Hope you have learned something on how to create your instance, on how to create your account on AWS, and how to log in via SSH client or on the console in AWS terminal. So thank you and see you in our next class.